so let's see what we can get out of these things. Alright, so we're probably going to open up the Dragons of Legends first and some of the Duelists first and save the Shining Victories last. Alright, so let's get them a-cracking. Okay, so we got a yellow gadget. Okay, we got a spirit message in. So nothing really special out of there. Okay, we got a red gadget. I remember back in the day when gadgets was just all awesome. People was going crazy for them. Okay. So I think this is the set where that one spell card comes in where I think you call a card and it special summons on your side of the field, annoying the summon condition. Oh, okay, we got a Destiny board. The funniest thing, oh wow, nice. We got a nice little hollow here. Not too bad. And we got a Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. Oh, nice. Level 5. And a Necro Face. Okay, okay. Oh, nice. And we got another hollow. Dark Magician of Chaos. Okay, we got a Magician level 8. Dark Necro Spear. Oh, nice, nice. So we got a nice, quite a few nice cards in here. Yeah, but you know, I just really hate like this crappy rulings like that, especially when you know the ruling yourself, and you're like, well, it doesn't work that way. But sometimes it's just very difficult to argue with a judge, you know. But, you know, what I'm probably going to do next is start asking these judges for the credentials. Because I think, like, some of these people just be making things up. Because, like, things like that, man, you just can't make mistakes. Like, I could see if it was a very complex play. But when you're sitting back and like, oh, yeah, I can change the attribute of your monsters on the field. While you got Gojin Match on the field. Like, really, dude? Oh, nice. We got a Dark Sanctuary. Nice. I think this is the one with, for the Destiny boards. Nice, nice. I think that's a really interesting card because I feel like it can work in a lot of other decks also. I'm gonna have to read the effect on it again. But I believe like when my opponent attacks, you can flip a coin. And if it's a heads or tails or something of that nature, your opponent takes half of that damage. So I might still be able to flip something like Mirror Force and still flip a coin. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look up the ruling on that one. Okay, something to get Dark Magician and Chaos out. Okay, we got a YZ Dragon. Oh, right. Necro Face. Okay, we got another hollow. Oh, nice. So we have a Mirror Force Dragon. Okay, we got a Doom Virus Dragon. Nice, nice. Okay, that's not too bad. So it seems like all these have hollows in it. Okay, we got a nice little seed here. Oh, nice. So we got a secret. That's pretty badass. To me personally, he looks kind of like a Dark World monster, to be honest. When I first saw it, I thought it was actually a Dark World monster. Alright, so we still got a few more packs here. And this $5 prize support booty open. Okay, we got a Dark Magician Knight, or a Dark Magician Girl Knight. Okay, we got a Cyber Angel. I think some people are actually looking for this. So the last Dragons Unleashed. Oh, nice. And we got another secret. Okay. All right. Now it's time for the Shining Victories. Okay. Dustbot fill card. A Lotus. Okay. Red Eyes Toon Dragon. So nothing in that. All right. Let's see here. Digital Bugs. Speedroid. And a Blackwing monster. Now, some people might say, hey, man, these packs are ass. I'm going to be like, hey, man, I got them all for $5. Okay. And a Digital Bug. Yeah, but it was definitely one hell of a tournament. I mean, wow. The turnout was just really, really awesome. Just so many people showed up. It was just so fun. Okay, we got the Morphage Ritual card. No one plays. So we got 2 more packs of Shining Victories. Okay, another Morphage card. All right, let's see what we got here. And another Morphage card. Now it's time for the 10 inside of here, so let's find out. Okay, so we have this Slifer card here. Let's see what's inside of here. Okay, we got the Slifer, Dark Magician. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, so horrible, so horrible. Oh my goodness, so horrible. Oh, these packs feel thick too. Okay, yeah, they are thick. All right. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, got an Ignite. Okay, Pendulum Reborn. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Oh, nice, nice. There we go, something sexy. Haha, that is beautiful. Oh, nice. Look at the juice. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually happy about that. Okay. Okay, we got a Toon Barrel Dragon. Okay, we got a Faffer. Oh, nice. A Traptrix Refresher. Okay, and our final and last pack. see here. Perform pal, dust bots. Okay, lose a turn. Okay, odd eyes. Oh, and another twin twister. I needed that. All right. So that's all I have for you today. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Matane.